I know. I know there's a video on here, but I have a question for you. Were you hunting wasps? Do you want to know why I'm asking you this?
Yeah.
Okay, come here.
Are you filming me?
Yes, I'm filming you. I came in this morning and saw this. So this is Carb Medic.
Yep.
And a lighter.
Yep.
Were you wasp hunting?
Fuck yeah. Mother dicks. Mother dicks, man.
This is his wasp hunting.
Yeah, and I go out there in a t-shirt or a tank top just like this, and they got a nest, and I'm just right down. Well, first of all, I'm not allergic to them.
Yeah, but for the record, I am, and he always does it when I'm near the car, and I don't know why. I think he just loses his mind, and he hates them so much that he doesn't pay attention to who's around when he's lighting them on fire with his wasp hunting kit.
I do. This is my wasp hunting kit.
And then they're all angry, flying around me, and he's like, "No, they're not. They're fine."
So they built in the car. In that car there,
yeah,
there's a hole in the frame yay big.
Yeah.
Well, for the first week, I kept spraying underneath the back of the quarter panels, thinking they were under there, and because I would walk by and I'd just tap it, and they'd come, "Fuck, this flying out."
Yeah, because they're angry.
Yeah, well, so am I. They're in my car. So anyway, so I took the hose to them and I was hosing them down, boom, 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 nailing them left, right, and center, man. It was like being at the fair, boom, 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 and as soon as you knock them down, someone would try and get up, just like that, stomp on them, you know. So I couldn't find. The other day I'm underneath there and I'm like, they're back again, they're back again. So look underneath, there's a hole like that big in the frame. So hey, a little bit of shh, like that. I went in there and boom. I lit her on fire, man. I lit her on fire. The frame, you hear inside the frame of the car, because there's no gas tank or line back there, and I don't give a fuck about the frame. It's metal. If it can't handle a little bit of fire, that car's not even worth having. So all of a sudden it goes whoosh, like that. Boom. Burns for a couple minutes. It's all fine and dandy. Yesterday I'm out here roaming around, and I see a couple wasps over there. I'm like, you kidding me? What are you doing? You're looking around? They're back in the fucking hole again. It's like it's a game with me. And we all know what happens when you light Carb Medic. I mean, we've all done it as kids. I mean, oh, it's not going to light. Anyway, my light is dead now. See that cocksucker? Anyway.
Because you've used it so much.
Anyway, so, yeah, so anyway, I got in there and took care of them this morning again.
Yeah, so for all of you that are wondering, all you need for a wasp killing kit is Carb Medic and a lighter.
We're an automotive repair shop. I don't have time to run up the road and go buy a can of wasping and then have someone come up back and tell me, oh, we have to give you a 20-minute lecture on it now because you may swallow this or kill yourself. Yeah, no, if I'm there to get some poison, I'm not going to kill somebody else.
But you can buy a parts washer, cleaner, you can buy Carb Medic.
I can buy Carb Medic and pour that down my throat all day, but I can't buy a can of wasp killer.
Yeah, no pesticides. You have to have a lecture.
Yeah, we have to have a lecture. So,
so good morning, everybody.
Yeah, that's
if you're
how
looking,
that's
if you're looking for ideas on how to kill wasps.
Yeah, the garden hose just doesn't really work. The garden hose, you put it on heavy spray, you knock them down like that, and then you get a chance to at least stomp on them after. It might give you some satisfaction. I don't know. I know I sound really cruel here, don't I?
No, they're wasps. They have no natural enemies.
Yeah,
so
no, don't kill bees.
No, not the bees.
Anyone out there, don't touch the bees.
Not the
bees
bees.
you see in the flowers and stuff like that, you don't touch them. You leave them alone.
We're talking about wasps and hornets.
Wasps and hornets, they're fucking useless.
They are, and they have no enemies.
Yes.
They're taken over. We've got a lot of them actually out here this year.
Yeah, there's nests everywhere. I don't know how many we've knocked down. I mean, look, there's a dead nest right there on the ground that I found earlier that a while back that got. Yeah. They're just everywhere. They're just into everything.
They like it over here too. This is my scary spot because I have to come turn the hose on to wash cars and stuff. And see all these? They love. See?
Where?
La 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 la. Right there. See him in there?
I see him. Mother dick. He's done.
They love these little holes. See, there's a nest in there. See?
Where?
Right there. Look at the hole.
Okay, I gotta phone up Lordco and get some more Carb Medic and a new lighter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they love this wall because it's just full of holes for houses.
Somebody's gonna be watching this and think I'm never watching his channel again. This guy's a murderer.
Well, I don't think anybody really wants to promote wasps. But
who's this coming in now?
We got customers already? Okay, we better sign off.
Better sign off because I got to deal with these motherfuckers.
Hey. And on that note, see everybody.